way to Daiso, right, Isha? Daiso.
Daiso, yeah.
That's a Japanese store. This is the first time we are going.
Japanese elementary store, basically.
Merge onto US 183 South. Take the exit. In 1.2 miles, keep left to merge onto US 183 South.
Line வெளியே.
Oh my god.
மக்கள் கவரிங் லைன்ல நிக்குது உள்ளுக்கு போறதுக்கு.
What the heck?
Yeah, this is the first time we are going. Let's go see what is in there, and they have a big line.
Dang. I mean, Daiso is our rare site, so.
Maybe because it's new here. Come, let's go stay in the line. We came here today, but we never thought that it would be this crowded. I see people waiting out, and it's because of the social distancing. They have made count of there's a limit for people to be in the store, and so there is a huge line out to get into the store. Because of the line there, I saw the 85 degrees bakery here, so we thought of coming and grabbing some drink or something to eat for us when we are waiting in the line. So we are here, and this is wonderful. This place is really nice. They have very nice pastries and stuff. Let's go inside.
We made it in.
Finally we came in. Oh man.
Writing utensils, can we thank you?
Yeah, let's go.
Go.
I'm coming.
Ooh, pencil sharpeners.
Yeah, they have nice erasers and stuff. Look at this. எவ்வளோ இது டிக்கில கீழே வச்சுக்கலாம் பென்சில்லாம் வைக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம ட்ராரில் வச்சு வைக்கலாம் எது பார்க்கலாம் ஐயா டாடிகிட்ட காட்டு இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கான் பாருங்கப்பா இதில் வச்சிருக்கான் பாருங்க ப்ரைஸ் கன்வர்ஷன்
வச்சிருக்கோம் இது என்ன வேலைன்னு எங்க
பின்னாடி இங்கே இருக்கா பாருங்க And what is this? Why is it all written in their language only? It's there in English.
Oh, look at
Simply spread beautiful color.
No, this is just mascara, I think, or
It's a
something.
mascara. No, it's a liner or mascara. I don't
Oh,
know.
look how pretty this is. It's a dried flower, and it's for like makeup. There's like a little band.
நிறைய ஐட்டம் இருக்குடி அதான் கூட்டம் வெளியே வர மாட்டேங்குது போல
Gold.
They have some beautiful erasers.
Yeah.
This is Winnie the Pooh. இல்ல
No.
just a thing. Yeah.
It's the bit.
Isha found these stickers and it made her very happy. She's looking under some kind of stickers. Let's see if she gets them.
Okay, I don't think I'll get them, but these are still adorable. See, look at them. Doggies. Okay,
Maybe we'll find them, Isha. Look if there is something else. Hey, look at this. This is nice too. Look at these.
this was the type I was looking for, but it's not exactly like an animal.
I like this too. Did you see that? Should we buy this? It's 150. Let's buy it.
What were we doing all this time? Really, if we really needed like a tag or something, we could have came here. They're so cute.
Travel labels. What is that? Somebody had opened and left it there.
Okay.
This is pretty.
Little lemons.
I like these two.
When life gives you lemons and lemonade. Amma. Look.
Hey, this is nice. How much is that?
150 and 150 is
150. இது எடுத்துக்கலாம். This is nice. Hey, look at bottom portion, Isha. Look at the bottom.
a day filled with happiness. Hello there.
300. Oh, பிடிச்சிருக்காது.
Dude, this is adorable.
This looks very babyish, right?
Just appeals to different.
Oh, this is cast iron. 200 எவ்வளவுப்பா? Let's take this. Let's take this, right? Let's take this. It's nice. இது சைடு எல்லாம் அறுக்கிற மாதிரி இல்லல்ல? Yeah, that's nice. தாளிக்கிறதுக்குலாம் நல்லா இருக்கும் இல்ல?
That's nice.
Did you not take this? Did you take this?
No. Look at this. Eagle. They have a polar bear one too.
I like this.
Buddy's even looking at me.
இது 150யா? இது பிரைஸ் எல்லாம் 150 தானே? இது வைங்களேன். வேண்டாம் வச்சிடலாம். இப்போதைக்கு பாக்ஸில் வைக்கலாம். Hey, look at these. I like this, Sean. These are nice, cute. This is plastic. Wow.
You could get more glossy maybe.
But these are not. This is glass.
Look,
These are plastics.
they have like Pyraxes.
I'm coming.
They're glass too.
All these are plastic.
They're glass too.
These are $203, right? No, Aishama, we have some. I want to use what I have.
Cork coaster.
Is this wood?
No, that's awesome.
No, it looks like wood.
They painted it.
Is it wood? And
Warning. Oh, they put a warning on all of these.
this is nice. Plastics are like that, right?
It says that on the beautiful girl plate.
What does it say? Oh yeah. இது California California வர எல்லா திங்ஸ்க்குமே நம்ம எழுதிருக்கோம். The California they have that, but I love this plate. It will be so nice to for display for the
Yeah, you're not gonna cook on this.
அப்படியே தீர்ந்து இருக்க எடுத்துங்க பத்தி. Isha, look at this. Things a bit.
Oh.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah. Wait, doesn't matter.
I think I'm going to take this. Sorry, oh, I love this. Oh man, this is a plate for property pizza. Look at this. This one is good for ice cream, right? It's so much different. Oh, look at the shape.
Wow.
It's a cute shape. See if you buy, huh?
I get this mom.
You can make like a flower when we serve on the plate, huh?
Can I get this Hello Bear mom?
Yeah, sure. It's cute.
See, look. Hello Bear. And then inside it says hello.
This is cute. These are Dada cookies. Really? பார்த்து எல்லாம் கண்ணாடி பொருள் பார்த்து.
Now, can you put this on?
Look at these. This one is classy, but it is for serving.
Hey, that's cute. Oh, it has like a grip.
Some grip. Look at the size. இது நல்லா இருக்குல்ல?
Honestly, when I come this product's exposing
same thing, yeah.
across LED. Like, boy, why are there so many limited size cats? No. Yeah. Oh dear.
Very cute, right? So this you can stack and keep.
I'm gonna have Hello
You can
Bear.
make it? Break time. I'll take this. I took one like this. Ulla Veda. Meduvari. Take the other one, the polka dots one that I have inside. Take it out.
I like the one you just
Paranga?
put in one.
What does it say? It says break time too.
Yeah.
Give me the polka dot one. No, give me the polka dot one.
I think you should get this one. This one's unique.
Yeah.
We're getting two
Yeah.
for a set for you and Papa. Well done.
Look at this. I like this, Isha. Direction pancake, light, fluffy, and healthy home taste. Isn't it nice? Oh, they have the recipe in the back.
That's adorable. Okay, but like, I want the snack style.
Yeah, we will go. This is where it takes time to come in and get off. I think. Look at this. It's a different shape.
150.
இது என்னது இது? Buckwheat noodles ka.
Oh, I saw somebody have this too. I've had cookie roasting before. But this is what you do. Okay, that's it.
Isha, இது பாரு.
Oh yeah. Okay. So, funny story. Wait.
இது இல்ல நான் எடுக்க. You all should have seen that we went to Daiso. Yeah, you should have seen a clipping of that. And today we are going to see what we got from Daiso. Here it is, and let's go forward. For these are the silicone muffin tins, muffin pans or muffin tins. I found this. I want to make some dessert with this, and especially was looking for that because it will slide off easily. So I would be showing that soon in the channel. So I took a couple of them in that. These were, I think, $3 each, whereas in other places I think it is about $7-8. I just found them for $3, and it also says it's microwave safe and dishwasher safe and all that, and I thought it would be nice. I mean, so I'm not going to put it in the oven. However, I'm going to make some dessert where we don't have to put it in the oven, so I'll be using these on that. And what else did I find? I found the school tray. This is stainless steel. Usually we don't find much of stainless steel things in the US market. So this one I found in the Japanese store, the Asian store. So I really liked it. So maybe even if you make some dessert, we can, especially when we make Mysore pak and stuff like that. This is really nice, the perfect size we could get. I really like that. So I got one of that. And this was, I think, $3 also. And here, this one Isha found some ramen. Like this one doesn't have any meat ingredients to that or the animal products to it, I believe. And so we checked the ingredient list and we just picked one of this. She had never eaten this before, so we thought, okay, we'll buy one of that. So here's some little snack items that she found, and she was excited as I was. So I think she has seen few of those Daiso hauls. And this is the Pocky, and this was $1.50 also. That store was a little different. Everything was written in Japanese, and they had a conversion chart. They had a conversion chart which showed the currency difference, and whatever did not have the price on that, they said it was $1.50. I mean US $1.50. So this was $1.50. We got one out. She got a couple of flavors in that. That's one, and here's one more. This is Pocky Matcha. I don't think we find this in the US markets either. Like, I mean, I have seen that in the international aisles, but she said she never had this flavor before. So she picked that. And I found this cake topper, which I really liked. I'll just keep it, and we can use it for any special days, and it just says special day in golden. I really liked it. And this is $1.50 also. And here is Isha stickers, little, I think these are cats, I believe. Yeah, dogs. Yeah, these are dogs, and she found some. She is very fascinated about having a dog. She wants to have one. I don't know when it's going to happen, but that's her thing. Yeah. Okay. So here she found a mug. This is Isha's favorite mug. She found one, and it has a bear which says hello bear. And inside the mug it says hello, and on the other side it says hello my old friends. She really liked this. She felt it's very cute. And this is like porcelain, like, I mean, so this is not plastic, this is porcelain. It's microwave safe and dishwasher safe. And it was just $1.50. And usually in the US stores, we don't see the perfect size in this. Usually they are very big. I don't know, like they have lots of coffee or anything. The sizes are huge. So usually we don't get the perfect sizes. Whenever I want mugs, I order it online. So this is one that she found. That's cute also. And I found something here. This is white and black. I mean, most of my crockeries are white in my house. I like to have everything in same color. Most of my crockeries are white, black, or white and black, or just white or just black. So here, this is one. I really liked it. And this is also the perfect size for a tea or coffee. I believe this should be like maybe 8 ounces, and we don't fill it up. And so this one says break time on that, and it has little black marks, I mean, which I really liked. I don't have one like this. I have many mugs in white and black, but I don't have exactly one like this, and I like the size of it. And I love coffees and teas. So, and this was $1.50 also, and this is microwave safe and dishwasher safe, and it's porcelain. I love this mug, and I took 2 of those in that actually. One for me and one for my husband. So we have 2. We have 2 of the same. That's there. And then here there is some drink which she picked. Oh, it says organic. And yeah, it's organic. It says cold brew ice steeped, unsweetened cucumber mint matcha green tea. That one. I think this one Isha picked this, or her dad picked it. I don't know. Maybe Isha. And then here is one little tray. I would use this for displaying for the channel, for the recipes for the channel. I really like it. This is a cute little tray, and it has some little texture to it. I don't know. It looks like stone finish. It has a stone finish. It's porcelain also. It has a stone finish to it. It's little. It's not big tray. It's a little tray. And this one was $1.50 also. The same microwave safe and dishwasher safe. And it's porcelain. So I bought this. This was $1.50 as well. And here's one other favorite one. Like, this was my favorite there. It looks like a pan as such. Like, if you can see, it looks like a grill pan with little marks on that. I loved it actually. We can, for the pictures, it will be really nice to serve some chicken or fish or whatever. Like, I mean, it will look just like we served in a pan itself. But this is porcelain. This is not cast iron or anything. This is porcelain. And this wasn't $1.50. I think this was $3 or $4 something. It says 200 yens, I think. And okay, if it's, yeah, the conversion is $3, I believe. So it says 200 yens. So this one we picked. It was $3. I really liked it. I mean, This is all the stuff that we got from Daiso. Like, we did not go to shop there. It's a new place to Austin, so we just went to see that. And I ended up buying all this. I mean, I do have lots of mugs at home, I have to admit it. And even the platters and plates, I'm like very, very fond of kitchen stuff. So I ended up buying these few things. And I would go all by myself without my husband once, and I'll pick whatever I want. As any men say, he also doesn't like buying kitchen stuff. And I will also admit I have a lot. So among all this, like, I liked every piece that I picked, I should say. So Isha liked her stickers, I believe, on her ram, and she really wants to eat this thing. So she loved that. To me, this is my favorite of all. I mean, this black thing, I like this. And I was looking to buy this. I thought this was a good price for that. So this was only $3 a piece. So I really like that. And also this for my desserts. I don't have a perfect size of tray. If I have to cut, like, see, if I make my super, this is the perfect sleek size, and I can just make those small little rectangles, and that would be pretty on this. And even to serve some egg rolls or samosas or whatever, this would be perfect. So I liked all that I got, and the favorite among all is this. The favorite of all is this. So if there is someone in Austin, and if you have never been to the store, go visit. It's nice. I liked it. So that's about it. So we also got these Pockies, and I have never seen these, both the flavors, in the other stores. Costco also sells them, but it's just chocolate, I believe. This one says chocolate banana, and this one says green tea matcha or something like that. Yeah. And we did not go to Daiso today. It's a couple of days ago, and we ate them all. So these were just the empty cartons that I wanted to show. They have plenty of flavors in this. If your kids like it, yeah, that would be nice also. So yeah, that's what it is. Anywhere I go, any shops I go, the place where I get really interested and where it makes me all excited is the kitchen aisle. And in the same way in Daiso also, I liked this place. It was a little different than the American places, but the crockery place was the one, the aisle was the one which made me so excited. I was like all over that place, and I really liked that place. I mean, I would go for these kind of little crockeries that we would need. If we go to other places in the US, it's a little expensive than that place. Definitely, I could say that. This was a little cheaper, but I don't know how good the quality is, but it looks nice though. Definitely, it looks nice. So these are the things I bought from there. And they have different varieties of snacks also, which we don't get in the regular store. So that's one thing. And this, I mean, I came to the counter and I found this cute bag. This is from them, and for Daiso. The Isha, like, I mean, actually my husband picked one, and then she left that and she picked this. This is white and black as such, and it says Daiso on that. And we liked it, and it was $1.50, so we just picked to put all our stuff in this. They gave a plastic, the carry bag, but still we liked this, and we bought this one also. And we would go back again sometime soon, and definitely it's a place to go if you like some crockery, some little crockeries like what we get in India. Usually we get big stuff in the US, the huge stuff. It is little different than what we get in the regular markets. Unless you go to the Asian places, you don't find these kind of stuff. I really like that place, and definitely I'll go for mugs and those little stuff for that. That's for now, and I hope you all like this. And if you liked it, share with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.